Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you aren't new, what's up? My name is Kaya. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be different because I'm just going to show you a few things that I've bought from Ross, Marshalls, and Tjmaxx. You know, just what I've bought like over the time being. So some of them I don't know the price because I've worn it a couple times, so I just want to show you guys that you can really get some cute clothes from Marshalls. You can get some cute clothes from Ross, Marshalls, and Tjmaxx. So let's go ahead and get into this video. First thing that I'm going to show you guys is these pair of jeans. So I really like the fact that they have this like block of different colored jean right here on the front. This is like to my knee area. And then also right here at the bottom, you got a cut off with some shrivel, and then it also has its own pattern to it. I'm gonna let you guys know I am not a good description giver of clothes, so I'm not like no like big fashion person, or you know, like know the descriptive names to be used for clothing items, shall I say. So you're gonna get the description that you get from me, and if I say it wrong or something's wrong, correct me in the comments. You know, I don't care, let me know. I'm just letting you know that I thought the pieces were cute and I purchased them. Okay, so these actually came from Tjmaxx. I really like these jeans. They're very comfortable. They actually kind of go up a little high-waisted on me. They're in a size 13, and they're by the brand Cred, C-R-E-D-N-Y. So Cred, New York, I'm guessing. But this is the first pair. Super cute. The next one I actually got from Marshalls. It's a one shoulder type of shirt, and it has like a tie-dye print. I love the material of it. It doesn't fit too tight, but then it fits well enough. I don't know what texture, or I mean what material this is, but I want to say it's just cotton. I think it's just cotton, but it's a really soft shirt. I like the pattern. It's tie-dye. You can dress it up or dress it down. That's really why I like it even more. Next piece I got from Tjmaxx. This definitely dress up. It is a jumpsuit, so it's off the shoulders. It has like the little, what do you call this, flapping piece? What do you call this? I know y'all know. Just let me know what it's called, because I can't think of what it's called right now. It's by Mikey and Joey, and it is definitely very fitted. I've worn it one time, and then it also goes all the way down, and it's like a flared pants leg. So it's super fitted. I love the color navy blue, and yeah, I got this from Tjmaxx. I was crooked. You have to do me that way. The next piece I got, I've actually worn. Actually, everything I've shown you before I've already worn. This is like, it's a bodysuit and it's a tank top. So super simple. Dress it up and dress it down with shorts, jeans, heels, tennis shoes, whatever you want to wear. It's really cute. And some of the things that I have, if I've already taken pictures in it or something, I'll post it on here so you guys can see what it looks like when I wore it. I wore this yesterday actually, and I'm so mad because this is a really cute shirt. I got this from Ross. It's a really cute, simple shirt. Like, I'm like, it's simple, but you could dress this up. But I believe I got grease stains in it yesterday when I was eating some baked chicken. I think it flopped on my shirt. So I'm hoping it's gonna come out. Do you guys know how to get what do you call that, grease out of your shirts? If so, let me know, because I don't know. The next one is really cute. I have not worn it yet. I got this from Ross. It's a tube top, but look at how it has like the racer type of material or design on it. I really think this is so cute. It was only $8, which is kind of pricey for a tube top when you're only covering my tits, so I don't know, but I think she's super cute and I can't wait to wear her. I need to wear it before the summer is out. The next one I'm in love with. This is another tube top I got from Ross. The last one I got from Ross too. I don't know if I said that. It's by Roit Queen. I'm telling you the brands of it just in case you guys really like the piece and you want to like search it or Google it and find it. This is what I got, and it's like the real stretchy material. So she's cute and I love the pattern, and you could dress her up or down as well. Next one, this is actually bought from Marshalls, and it's by American Eagle. Isn't this American Eagle's like symbol or whatever? Soft and Sexy tank, and it's also another one shoulder, and I like the fact that it has like the tie at the top. It makes it really cute that you can tie it right here at the top, making it even more, you know, stylish. And it has like the what do you call this, like stretch at the bottom where it like sucks in. So that's the type of, I don't know what is my bra doing, but This can be dressed up or dressed down as well. Got it from Marshall's for $4.99, y'all. $4.99. Next one I got from Ross. I don't know why I bought this shirt. I think I tried it on and I was like, oh, it fits, because I'm really not even like a huge fan of it. I mean, it's cute and all, but it ain't all that. It was $5.99. I honestly don't know why I bought it, but it's cute, and it's kind of like the same pattern as that other one shoulder shirt I showed you guys. So, and it's crop top, so it's not all the way down. It's just a tank top, crop top with tie-dye material, and it's gray. This is the other one I got. This is another tank top. I bought a lot of tank tops, y'all, I guess because it was summer and I was hot. That's why I picked up tank tops. This one's from Ross. It was $5.99. And it's just like a shirt with a rose on it. It has really cut low arm, like in the armpit area, so this is going to go really low. And then we also have just like a nice cute cut open spot right here. You see this? So it's nice and cut open right there. So I feel like this is super cute to wear just on a chill day. The last one I got is from Ross as well. I feel like people sleep on Ross. You can find some cute stuff in there. And this is a jumpsuit. It's like one of those, I think you call this a mauve color. I'm not sure. But it's like a really fitted jumpsuit. It's more straight leg at the ends, but I think this one's really cute. You can wear this out for sure, like to a bar, to a club. You can really dress her up. I think she's really, really cute. That is the end of this Marshall's, Ross, Tjmaxx haul, if you want to call it. I just want to show you guys the little items that I picked up. Don't sleep on them. There's some real cute stuff in there, and you can find some cute makeup as well. These lashes, I promise you, I kid you not, I go back to Tjmaxx or Marshall's all the time to get these. This is like my third box. These are the best lashes ever. I've had some of y'all ask me this on some of my past videos, what lashes I'm wearing. These are it. So go ahead and screenshot this, whatever you need to do to find these lashes when you go in Tjmaxx or Marshall's. They're bomb. Okay, now guys, I hope you like this different type of video. I also have one coming for Boohoo. I got a lot of stuff from Boohoo, so I'm gonna do one of those as well. Thanks guys for watching. If you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.